Hello guys, what's up, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now we are going to talk about this lady. In fact, this is not a lady, this is a man. Okay, so let's read the information. It said here, man arrested for scamming drunk people pretending to be a woman. And some man arrested after one of his clients discovered in the morning that she or is not a woman. The man has been cheating both drunk and sober men of their hard-earned money by acting like a woman. So you can see this gorgeous lady. In fact, is not a woman. He is a man, but a man who is coming drunk people, sober. So if you are one of those people who simply drink and try to get women in the bar or in the club, please be careful who you are getting on with, because you might end up with a man. So this is the news that we have right now, and this man right here, this handsome man, he was arrested in Uganda. So that is the trending message that we are having right now. So you gotta be careful though. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.